Morning, everyone. I'm Shreyas Devgude Suresh, and I'm a project management student in Conestoga College. And today I'm very excited to talk to you guys about a powerful collaboration tool that has revolutionized the way team works together. So that is none other than Confluence by Atlassian. So as we explore Confluence, we will learn how this software program will improve teamwork, encourage communication, and expedite production within the organization and teams. So Confluence, the one of the main feature I would say in Confluence is uh, it has more than 130 different templates, which helps in project management. So, for example, let me just show you what are the. So, as you can see here, you have project plan, decision documents, end of tasks. They have variety of different, templates where you can use in project management, and so I'll also show you guys to create one of the template how we can create. So before that, let me just take you guys through. So let's see what are the features the conference has, and what are the content it has, and how we can use them uh, in our projects and different projects as well. So you can use Confluence to create a rich knowledge base and which to collaborate with other teammates. By you can also use videos, images, graphics and charts, and graphics and charts. So if you guys come down, so you can see here there is an YouTube video as well. It's available, so you can also go through that. It shows you what are the options you have. So let me tell you what are things you can create. So first, we can create spaces by using this software. Spaces are places where teams or individual or companies to organize work on ideas, project documentations, and announcements. Spaces can be customized and integrated with both Atlassian tools and other tools as well. So you can create as many as spaces. And for example, as you see on the screen, you can see team spaces, project spaces, and personal spaces. Team spaces will give each team their own space to where they can work closely to make information uh, easier to find. And project spaces would put all the information related to your project in one place where everyone in the team can work together. And personal spaces, you can store anything you working on, like your to-do list, or you can polish your content before you moving it to a shared space or sharing with your team. So after you create a spaces, you also can create a page. So pages where teams define, collaborate on, document their work, and they're building blocks to the Confluence. So you can also create pages. You can add. So as you can see in the video, you can just click on the plus mark, and you can just add the page title, and you can create a page as well. So, Confluence Editor is one of another feature where changes can only be made to the page content when in editor. So changes will automatically save where you are left, and it pushed live in the next time when the page is published. So as I was talking about templates, so there are a lot of different templates, more than 130 templates where you can use in project management to communicate with teams and creating reports. And also one of the major advantage using Confluence is it can collaborate with many application which is created by Atlassian, for example, Slack, and you have Crowd, and you have Jira. You can integrate those application with this software, which makes your work easier. And you can also create elements. Elements are tools like calendars, note panels, and layout designed to help you to make pages more powerful and more informative. And so if you can also see here collaborating with Teamlens. So you can also do a real time editing. Like you can so there are like multiple team members can edit one document simultaneously. That's one of the major feature which this application has. So overall, this application, the software is very good in project management. It has a lot of advantages, and so moreover, So let me show you guys. As I said before, I'll show you how to create one of the template. So suppose I'll just take an example of I have a project of building a bridge. So if you can see here, you can just click on edit. So it takes you to the template page. So, so here you can just click on edit. So it shows all the template information here. Driver, we can just mention as project manager. And if you have a bridge building project, then approver can be transportation department or department of transportation in a certain area. And contributors, you can just fill up saying who are the contributors to the projects. For example, in bridge building, you have civil engineers, structural engineers, bridge design consultant, general contractors, material suppliers, and etc. So those you can mention them in contributors. Informed, like your project stakeholders, sponsors, local authorities, environmental officers, the you can mention them in the informed column. So objective, you can mention what is the main objective of your project. For example, in my project, say like building a bridge, I would just write as to successfully construct a bridge connecting 2 points across a river, ensuring the structural integrity, safety, and relevant regulations as well. So you can also mention your key outcomes. For example, like in this project, building a bridge, finalizing a bridge design is can be outcome, a key outcome, and foundation work, completing a foundation work can be a key outcome. Installing safety features to the bridge can be a key outcomes. You can mention them. You can also mention the status of your work packages or deliverables. Is it in progress, or it's already finished, or not yet started? So the team can see where the work is going on and what's going on with the work, and they can collaborate with that. So, and you can also see here, you can create a problem statements or your project scope, what must have in the project scope. You can mention them and what nice to have, and what are things that are not in your scope. You can also mention them. So it's very informative, and it can make your team understand the project well. And as you see here, you can also mention timeline as well, like time planner. You can create a visual roadmap which helps your team to stay on track and edit your work streams, dates, or who you're assigning to. You can do all those with the timeline. And as you can see, you can also mention your milestones of your work as well as your deadlines. When and what is your milestone, who is responsible, or owner, when is the deadline, what is the status. You can also mention them. So this is how you can create a project plan. It's one of the template out of 130 templates. You can utilize all of them based on your project. And overall, if you say this is one of the best, software which I've come across in project management, and in conclusion, I would say the conference is more than just a collaboration tool. It's a catalyst for innovation, efficiency, and teamwork. By centralizing information, fostering collaboration, and promoting open communication with the team, and conference empowers team to achieve their goals with a greater ease. So, whether you are a project manager or developer or a member of any collaborative team, consider integrating Confluence into your workflow and experience the transformative power of seamless collaboration. And thank you so much for your time, guys, and have a great day.